ezikhulumela, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for joining. Thank you so much ukuthi ungijoine kule video guys. Ukukhuluma ngoThabo Bester. UThabo Bester namhlanje base court nabanye ke laba accuse nabo ke you guys. Yo, it looks like hayi uze namhlanje ezitshelile ukuthi you know what ngizofika ngento baxelele ke abane court like no ways guys. Angizukhuluma kakhulu bengifuna nje ukuthi ngibonise ama videos la kaThabo Bester just in case awukalandeleli indlela izinto saba khona ecourt right now, but nama ngalandeleli fully ngisazolandela fully bese mhlambe senze videos wakala, but ngifuna ukupostela lama video akaThabo Bester ese court. Ngizoposta nje mhlambe ngama clip amafishane kakhulu you guys, but anyways bathi bona lapha Newsroom Africa, Thabo Bester is alleging that he has been treated unfairly by the state. He says he was forced to dress like he dressed today because he was told that him wearing his branded clothes gives the wrong impression. Yakhumbula ngithi Thabo Bester behlala ezecourt esigqokelo Gucci, esigqokelo Burberry, esigqokele yazini yonke ilabel engingayazi ke mina mhlawumbe wena yawazi lama label uThabo Bester kade eze wagqokile ecourt. Kunalesa sikhathabaza nona nibamagudumana belavi davi zonke lezi zinto ngathi ziye zenza ukuthi situation yabo ngathi yabheda kakhulu nokugqoka kwakhe impahla ezi expensive into ekanjalo. So namhlanje wathi ndiyokubaxelela ikaka pha namhlanje uyashisa uThabo Bester you guys. I'm like yo this guy, but anyway sizokwenza ivideo phelele kwamanje asiposte nje ama clip uzizwele ukuthi yay Thabo Bester.
I am not the worst inmate in this country. I don't have the highest counts. I have 3 counts. But I am the most popular inmate in this country for no reason, because of the political carnage and because of the political issues that I have in my personal capacity that have nothing to do with this legal proceedings. And I feel that I am to address that. And Your Honor, with my last point, that I feel it's unfair for these people that are sitting here as my so-called accused to be in court when I know very well they have nothing to do with this. When I know very well that they were not present in any of these issues that are in this indictment. The people that are being protected by the investigating team are very clearly known. I have more than enough evidence to prove that this thing is much more than just an average people that are working at an institution called G4S that just decided on one day to release me. It's highly impossible for them to do that without political power or other high office involved in this issue. I have been out in South Africa living my life for a year. I have not violated any human, but I am treated with the utmost, even in the legal fraternity, Your Honor. It's very difficult for me to appoint an attorney. Attorney would cancel brief on the base that say, I don't want to be associated with Thabo Bester because the media will attack me. I've had 5 counsels who told me that I would love to be in your case, but I'll be in the background because I cannot be seen in front because you're Thabo Bester. The media will destroy me and the state will never give me any work. Is that anyhow how I should be treated when I am standing in trial, Your Honor? Is that equal to any other person that is standing in trial? With the utmost, even in the legal fraternity, Your Honor, it's very difficult for me to appoint an attorney. Attorney would cancel brief on the base that say, I don't want to be associated with Thabo Bester because the media will attack me. I've had 5 counsels who told me that I would love to be in your case, but I'll be in the background because I cannot be seen in front because you're Thabo Bester. The media will destroy me and the state will never give me any work. Is that anyhow how I should be treated when I am standing in trial, Your Honor? Is that equal to any other person that is standing in trial? My last point, Your Honor, is that under Section 20... Section 277 that was cancelled by the Constitutional Court as a death sentence. Your Honor, I say this as a broken man, and I say this wholeheartedly. It tears me apart to see these people in this court, knowing very well that they're suffering for something that know nothing about. I request that the public, if they are so convinced, and if the prosecution is so convinced that I am the waste of these people's lives, that this section be enforced on a penalty or on a petition. That under the previous Act of Correctional Services, of Criminal Prosecution, Act 126 of 92, that a death sentence be given as a petition, that the public signs a petition, and I be given a death sentence, and immediately I will agree to it. So we end this matter. I came here with 80 cars. I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been having chains on my feet. My feet are ice at this point. I can barely feel my toes. This is not the way I want to proceed, Your Honor. If it means that this court can accept the petition and the public can sign it, and I can be put to rest, and we can put all this, because I am at peace. I know what I've done. I know what I've not done. I am not perfect. But one thing I know for a fact, that none of these things would exist if there was no backhand of political watchdogs that control the situation.